Good morning. I'm in the greenhouse at Freetown Farm, and today I want to show you the peas that we're growing in the greenhouse and give you a couple of tips on how you can be successful in growing them in your gardens. So these peas have been growing indoors for about 70 days, and what's really interesting is that they're self-pollinating. So peas are a crop that you can grow in a greenhouse. You don't have to worry about pollinators. They also have hollow stems, so let me break it off right up here. So they need trellising because they're going to break. If they're growing like this and flopping over, it's real easy for the pea plant to break. The peas, and I think we have a small piece starting in here, right over here. You know, this will develop in a couple of days to a full size, but you can also harvest and eat the tendrils that taste exactly like peas. One strategy I recommend when you're growing outdoors is you start, a wave of peas just like this. 6 weeks later, if you come down here, we started some more pea plants. And it's called succession planting, so that you're not getting, 1,000 pea pods at once. You have the main crop that I just showed you, and then these are starting to come up. And as the plants on the right die out, these are flowering and producing more pea pods for you.